Edward Branly. Edward Branly was a French inventor, physicist, and also a professor at the Institut Catholique de Paris. He is recognized for his early interest in wireless telegraph and his discovery of the Branly cohere around 1890, which gave him a biggest success. He completed his higher education from École Normale Supérieure. Branly detector consisted of a tube with the coating and filling of iron that cohered when a radio frequency in high voltage was applied to the ends of the tube. He also designed loose metal fillings, which in a normal state have a high electrical resistance. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize for 3 times. And also in 1911, he was elected to the French Academy of Sciences. Again, he was elected to the Pontifical Academy of Sciences. He was also honored by a technical high school. Branly design of radio conduction was named an IEEE milestone in electrical and computing in 2010. Edward Jenner. Known as the father of immunology, Edward Jenner was an English scientist. He is known for the invention of smallpox vaccine. Vaccination was a regular exercise, but it could not prevent the disease from occurring. Edward Jenner decided to just add the element of prevention from occurring to the vaccine and used contact with cowpox disease for the purpose. He knew that milkmaids who were in contact with cows were immune to smallpox and contracted with a harmless disease, cowpox, which never affected them in any way. To test his theory, he got pus from a milkmaid's body and inserted it in a small boy's arm and later exposed the boy to smallpox virus, who was found immune. He tested it on several other boys before producing the final results. Though the invention was made in 1796, yet it was only after his death that it was accepted. Edwin Howard Armstrong. Edwin Howard Armstrong is also known as the father of FM. He also invented regenerative circuit. Born on 18th December 1890, he grew up in Yonkers, New York. Edwin was only 11 when the first transatlantic radio transmission was made. This made Armstrong interested in studying radio and building homemade wireless equipment. He invented frequency modulation in the year 1933. This invention of frequency modulation improved the audio signal of radio by controlling the noise caused by electrical equipment and the Earth's atmosphere. Armstrong also invented the regenerative or feedback circuit. It helps by increasing the strength of the radio signal received, and radio broadcasts allowed to have a greater range. He also invented super heterodyne tuner that allowed radios to tune into different radio stations. These inventions are now used by every radio or television set today. Edwin Howard Armstrong died on 31st January 1954. Edwin Hubble. Edwin Hubble, an American astronomer, was born on 20 November 1889 in Marshfield, Missouri, United States, and died on 28 September 1953 in San Marino, California, at 63 years of age. Hubble is known generally for the popular Hubble's law. With the use of Hooker telescope, he discovered cap height variables, a kind of star in various spiral nebulae, which includes the Triangulum and Andromeda Nebula. Edwin also came up with the system for the classification of galaxies, which is most commonly used by grouping them as per their visual aspect in the photographic images. Thus, he arranged the various galaxy groups. Later on, they became famous as the Hubble sequence. In the 20th century, he is considered as a leader in observational cosmology. He made the discovery that besides the Milky Way, there are a number of other galaxies that exist. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.